Dua Lipa levitating.
How to dance to that? Make a reference to
Why is everyone recording?
Hey, I was the first one to start recording.
Focus. Focus. Let drop.
SN!
Oh, you suck. Wait, can I pull this one? I want to see. I want to see if I can pull this one.
Oh my god.
That's a fall. That's falling. That's falling.
Never mind.
I made another round.
I'm sorry.
Y'all, we have free time in biology, so I'm literally sitting in the corner away from sitting in the corner away from everyone and just watching YouTube because I'm tired. Apparently it's cold outside today.
I ain't never been with the buddy. With the buddy, she comes to her attitude telling medicine, but I'm calling her Maddie. Like, Mash tried to send me that Addie. That was a short one for you guys. There's still, like, people around, but yeah. Happy birthday! How do I turn it off?
Alright, Vlogmas, and since I got back from New York, it has to take a very massive toll on me. So, wow, I look great in this lighting. So, we are going to clean, and, you know, stay with me now. Cue the time lapse. Y'all, the room is looking so clean. I did all of that. Put all the clothes away. They're just scarves and blankets. Outerwear, formal wear, t-shirts, sweats and shorts, some more shorts, and then formal pants. And then my tree, and then my bays. And then out here, I just have to clean up a little more, but I'm honestly just gonna do that when I come home because I'm really tired. All right, my mom is here and I have a band meeting that I have to go to, so we're gonna do that. I'll try to vlog it if I can, but it's kind of important because it's California information. Y'all, I got a signed poster from the president of Tournament of Roses. Oh my god, I almost just dropped my phone. And now we go home and get halal food. Oh my god, is this me remembering to end the video? Yes, it is. Alright, thank you all so much for watching Vlogmas Day. What day is it? 8. Make sure to come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 9, where I'll actually have content because there's no star testing. Bye!